Hey everybody, this is Nate from Both Halves Creations, and I'd like to walk you through the task prioritization spreadsheet that we have available on Etsy. Real quick, when you first open the spreadsheet, you see our dashboard right here at the top. It gives you a quick look at what tasks are ahead of schedule and which ones are behind, anything that you've completed, tasks due today, which would be a huge one to work on, and of course your completed tasks. Like highly visual, real quick, you can tell. Now, I believe the best part of this spreadsheet, and my favorite when I was creating it, was the status bar section over here. These status bars are automatically created based on the start and due date that you enter for every task and the percentage complete that you enter. So for this task, it started June 30th, ends November 28th, and I'm 50% through the task. With that, the spreadsheet automatically calculates that I am ahead of schedule. The more ahead of schedule I am, the larger the blue bar is. The more behind schedule, the larger the red bar is. So real quickly, I can come into the spreadsheet, look at each and every one of my tasks and tell what I'm behind on and what I need to get moving on. Again, these are automatically calculated, so every time you come in here and update your percent completed, so let's say I do a ton on this second task. Now I'm ahead of schedule on it because it is due very soon. So great feature. It's really the whole reason I created this spreadsheet. So I do hope you appreciate it and enjoy it. Another great feature is the priority section itself. These are drop downs, automatically color coded. I select medium instead of high, and it automatically color codes to yellow as opposed to red. So I can open the spreadsheet, take a quick look and see that I have 3 high priority tasks. 2 of them are ahead of schedule because I see the blue bars, and 1 of them is behind schedule. So I know I need to get working on that task, which here is helping kids with a book report. So I better help them get moving on it. We need to get that done. Another great feature is that once you are finished with a task, you don't necessarily want it blocking your view, right? So let's say I come in here and I complete this task. I can check done. And now all the color is removed from this task, but it still saves all the information. I love that it saves the information because at the end of the year, I can go to my performance review and put all of the things that I accomplished through a year in here. So I definitely want to save this all to be able to use later. We actually sell some goal tracking spreadsheets as well on our Etsy store at Both Halves Creations, so please take a look at those. Finally, I will fully admit that I am a spreadsheet nerd. I use this for work every single day. I am not a designer, so I did leave the spreadsheet unlocked. If you'd like to come in here and change fonts and colors and customize it, I'd love for you to make it your own. Just know that it is unlocked, so you can make whatever changes you want, but please be careful. We don't want to mess up the status bars or anything. So keep that in mind. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you check out our store. Thanks.